Today's video is sponsored by my self-haircut course. It's your man Alex, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the fastest way that you can fade in your beard with only 4 simple steps. Now, of the 4 fading steps for your beard, step number 1 is to have the clipper in the lever open position, right? The second step is to have the lever in the halfway position. And the third step is to have the lever in the closed position, right? You're gonna go from lever open to halfway to then closed, right? And then the fourth step that you wanna do is have the lever in the open position and then freehand going down your beard, right? So very simple. Lever open to remove bulk, lever halfway to fade, lever closed to finish off the hard line, and then flip the clipper upside down and then freehand. So now that you know all 4 steps, let me go ahead and show you how to do it. Now I'm going to be showing you guys in real time exactly how quickly you can fade in your beard with these steps. As you guys can see, the first 3 steps are basically done. So now I'm gonna go ahead, open the lever completely, and then finish off to freehand the rest of the beard. You can do a little bit more detail work right here, but that's pretty much how you do it. So using the corners of the clipper with the lever in the open position, I'm just going in and trying to use the corners to knock in between these hairs. So now I'm going to be going in and using these same 4 steps on the left side of my beard as well. Before we continue with the video, I want to thank today's sponsor, my self-haircut course. My goal with this course is to help you learn a lifelong skill set that will keep your money in your pocket and save you hours of your time every self-haircut by not having to drive to and from a barbershop and pay for an inflated price plus the tip. Take advantage of my self-haircut course, which provides you weekly one-on-one private coaching calls, live streamed interactive self-haircut tutorials, a private community group chat, and over 60 high-quality videos on the Teachable platform. To start saving your time and money by learning how to cut your own hair, click on the first link in the description to start today. Thank you, Self-Haircut Course, for sponsoring this video. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much how you fade your beard literally as fast as you possibly can. Let me know in the comment section if you know of a faster way to fade your beard as well as I have here. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share it with a friend. Also, if you're new to my channel, definitely click on the subscribe button down below to never miss a new video. And don't forget to check out the self-haircut course linked in the description down below, because you definitely don't want to miss out on the private self-haircut tutorials and private one-on-one coaching calls. So again, using the first link in the description down below and in the card section above if you want to check out the self-haircut course. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!